Assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Anaya Quran Academy. I am online Quran teacher and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Today we are going to learn our second lesson of this series. If you are interested to read Quran with proper Tajweed rules, so this course is for you. And before starting this course, if you did not subscribe our channel, so please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you. So today we are going to learn our second surah, that is Surah Al-Falaq. So first we will read surah name, then its type, after that Bismillah, and then we will start our surah. So let's start our today's lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Suratul Falaq Makkiyah. This surah is Makkiyah surah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First we will read with spellings. Qaf dhamma lam. Qul. Hamza fatha a. Qul a. Ain dhamma waw ru. Here is waw mata, so we stretch it. Qul a'u. Zal dhamma zu. Qul a'udhu. Ba kasra bi. Ra fatha ba rab. Bi rab. Ba has shadda sign, so we will connect ba with previous letter. Bi rab. Ba kasra lam bil. Bi rab bil. Fa fatha fa. Fatha is a short vowel, so we don't stretch it. Lam fatha la. Fala. Qaf kasra qi. Falaqi. Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaqi. So here is a stopping sign. We are going to stop here. So when we stop on ayah, last letter sign like fatha, kasra, dhamma will not read. So because of stopping sign, kasra will not read here. We will read qaf like qaf sakin. Falaq. Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq. Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq. Mim kasra noon min. Here we will make gunna because after that there is no harufe halki, so we can make gunna here. Min. Shin fatha ra shar. Ra kasra ri. Min sharri. Mim fatha alif ma. Min sharri ma. So here is alif madda. It means we will stretch it. Min sharri ma. Kha fatha kha. Lam fatha la. Khala. Qaf fatha qa. Khalaqa. Min sharri ma khalaqa. Now we will stop here. So we read it. Min sharri ma khalaq. Waw fatha wa. Mim kasra noon min. Wa min. We will make gunna here. Shin fatha ra shar. Ra kasra ri. Sharri. Wa min sharri. Ghain fatha alif gha. Sin kasra si. Ghasi. Qaf double kasra qin. Here is double kasra. It means tanween. Ghasiqin. Hamza kasra i. Zal fatha alif za. Iza. Waw fatha wa. Qaf fatha qa. Waqa. Ba fatha ba. Waqaba. Now we are going to stop here. So Fatha will not read. We read it. إذا وقب ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب. Vaw Fatha wa. Mim Kasra Noon min. Wa min. Shin Fatha Ra Shar. Ra Kasra Noon rin. Sharrin. We will make Gunna here because Noon has Shadda sign. So when Noon has Shad sign, it means we make Gunna. Wa min sharrin. Noon Fatha Fa Naf. Fa standing Fatha Fa. Nafa. Standing Fatha is a long vowel. So we stretch it. Sa standing Fatha Sa. Nafasa. Ta kasrati. Nafasati. Wa min sharrin nafasati. Fa kasra lam fil. Here is ya, but we don't read ya because ya is empty. So it's just a silent letter. Lam has sukun sign. So we will connect lam with fa. Fa kasra lam fil. Ain damma'u. Fil u. Qaf fatha qa. Fil uqa. Dal kasra di. Fil uqadi. Now we will stop here. So we will read dal with sukun sign. So when dal has sukun sign, it means we will make qalqala here, and qalqala means an extra voice. Wa min sharrin naffasati fil uqad. Wa min sharrin naffasati fil uqad. Waw fatha wa. Mim kasra noon min. Wa min. Shin fatha ra shar. Ra kasra ri. Sharri. Wa min sharri. Ha fatha alif ha. Here is alif madda. So we stretch it. Ha. Sin kasra si. Ha si. Dal double kasra din. Hasidin. Hamza kasra i. Zal fatha alif za. Iza. Ha fatha ha. Sin fatha sa. Hasa. Dal fatha da. Hasada. Wa min sharri hasidin iza hasada. Now we are going to stop here. So we read it. Wa min sharri hasidin iza hasad. So we will make qalqala here. Our surah is completed now. Now I will read without spelling. So please listen carefully. Surah Al-Falaq Makkiyah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq. Min sharri ma khalaq. Wa min sharri ghasiqin idha waqab. Wa min sharri naffathati fil uqad. Wa min sharri hasidin idha hasad. Our today's lesson is completed now. So I taught you few rules in this lesson. Inshallah, I will teach more rules in our next lesson. So don't worry and keep watching and listen this surah again and again. And also practice this for 30 minutes daily, and inshallah you will learn. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section and we will give you quick answer inshallah. So take care and Allah Hafiz.